everyone, it's me again, RonVil channel over there, and it's me again, Kennex Avidia, your virtual tour guide of day-to-day adventure. So tonight, we're gonna have a very specific adventure, because it's the last day of May. So now I am using a GoPro Hero 10 and okay. Asang tapadong? Asa tapadong? Admiralty o dito ta sa taas? Sa Stubbs Road? Ikaw. Pwede na. Okay, so we're all set. RonVil channel again. He's also using Team GoPro 10 og X2. And the same I'm also using the same setup as so that's Insta360 OneX2 and Insta360 OneX2. Okay, let's go. So yeah, if you haven't seen the other videos that we have, RonVil channel is using the PCX 150. It's a Honda, and we're using the Kymco AK550, which is a 550cc scooter, or let's say a maxi scooter. So yes, you've already seen this view back then, and it's a very nice view because this is the Causeway Bay. If you haven't seen already, if you haven't been here, so we're passing the Stubbs Road, so we're gonna pass this way. This is the road where I usually pass to. side stand ra ka, Col? Side stand, mag-side stand ako eh. Here na we, where na you? Yay. Okay, so we just arrived here at the peak. So we're just gonna leave our bikes here. Yun. May ibang view din kayo. Hindi lang yung kain. Okay, we're here, Galleria. And vlog the vlogger na naman. So we're here. Let's just check what we can do here, because there's some people who's flying their drones on this spot. Okay. Anyway, our vlogging camera is the GoPro Hero 10.
GoPro Hero 10, the action.
Which we need to take out the media mod.
With the
To
media
replace-
attached to the media SIM mode. Yan yung SIM mode na.
Uy, sila ate mag-live din oh. Hey guys, it's already 22:31, so that's 10:31, and we're here at the Peak Galleria. Still with me, RonVil channel, and make sure you don't forget to subscribe RonVil channel and RonVil Motovlog.
If you don't subscribe, I'll find you.
Sa salida ko. So to those who've been here, for sure this is a familiar place for you. For sure you've been here already. Every time you come here, I think you're here. Tuyok ta? Uhor ba ko da buang. Tinhaw na lang ta?
Oh, no.
So yeah, so next time if you come here to Hong Kong, make sure you get to visit Victoria Peak, which is this side.
Don't forget to quarantine.
And don't forget to quarantine for 7 days. You can come here already, but you need to quarantine. And the peak tram, so you can take some photos here too. And on that side, that's where Aberdeen is. Lama Island at the opposite side. And yeah, it's quite dark, so you cannot see it from here. Since the Peak Galleria is already closed, so we need to go around and get our bikes. And by the way, this is where you're going to get a bus or take a bus going down all the way to Central. So bus 15 over here, the cab on that side, and the minibus going to Central is also there. So yes, for tonight's mission is a success, and thank you for RonVil channel for coming with me, with a very supportive friend out here. There.